Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If Gemini is not responding or keeps showing the something went wrong message, these steps may help fix the problem. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then select Settings. From the left side, click on Privacy and Security. Now click on See All Site Data and Permissions. In the search box, type Gemini. Expand the Google folder if needed. Then locate Gemini and click the trash icon next to it. Confirm by clicking Delete. This will remove Gemini's stored site data and refresh the website. Now click on Extensions from the left side. Disable all Chrome extensions. Sometimes a browser extension can interfere with Gemini and cause this error. Restart Google Chrome and check if Gemini is working again. If the problem is still there, open Chrome settings again. From the left side, click on Reset Settings. Then select Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click Reset Settings to confirm. Once the reset is complete, restart Google Chrome and open Gemini again. Your browser settings will be restored to their default values, which can help resolve browser-related issues causing the error. So this is how you can fix the Gemini something went wrong error. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.